Hey, why you have come in uniform? You are supposed to come in color dress for the college, right?
We're not college students, sir. After finishing PU, we'll join this college, sir.
What is the difference between college and school?
Sir, how can you ask this? College is considered good when compared to school.
Yeah.
In school, we have to wear the uniform. But in college, there's no uniform only, sir. On top of that, attendance is least bother. It contains only roll number. Even if we don't come to college, our friends will help in proxy, sir.
Sir, in school they always look up for the ranks. Here we don't have such things.
In the same way, we don't have to stay here from morning till evening. We can attend the colleges at any time. We can leave the college at any time. That's arts college.
We don't have to carry sacks of books everywhere, sir. A single book will do the job, sir. We can write down everything.
College life itself is
Yes,
beautiful,
sir. Yes, sir.
Then why everyone left the college and joining over here?
Sir, anyway, you're going to be a security for this college for 1 year, right? You'll get to know about it later. Leave it, sir. Come,
What
let's
security?
go.
Hey, buddy.
Come here.
Hey, buddy. Yeah. That economic guys are flaunting very much. What, we BCom guys should always be calm. They've beaten up black and blue for our guys. Just went to ask and they oppose me.
Bro, at any cost, we shouldn't leave Dhanush. We have to teach him a lesson today. We shouldn't leave them.
Hey,
Who the hell is that?
how dare you beat Mustafa, man?
Who the hell is it to tell us not to rack first year students? We won't spare BCom students anyhow. Don't show your attitude in front of us. Did you get it?
How dare you touch my friends? Hey, come here.
What, sir?
I'll file the case
Are
and
you
put you all
challenging
behind
me?
the bars.
Come in front of me. Come,
These are
come.
rules. Let's
Come.
go, sir.
That's what I'm saying.
They are
That's
doing
it.
this first day of
How
the
can we
college
manage?
itself. This will continue the whole year.
Hey, Allah.
I knew very well that you will come if I hit Mustafa. I slapped him. Come on, dare to hit me now.
These characters you have given birth to, the rowdy kids, all of them are spoiled. I myself is a rowdy. With me only rowdyism.
We won't let this happen, sir.
What will not happen? I have decided. Nobody should come to college. I'll give TC. All of you go home.
Excuse me, mister. You have a very long name, MA, MPhil, PhD. My son is drinking, smoking, he's a ganja addict. Is that your problem?
Yes.
What puss? He gets up at 7 o'clock in the morning, gets ready for the college, and he comes to college at 9 o'clock. Do you know that? After coming back from college, he just sits for 2 hours and talks to us and then eats and sleeps by 8 o'clock. Altogether, he spends only 4 hours with us.
For that,
All the other time, where is he? He is in the class, in the college with you. A boy like that got spoiled, he's a spoiler. Why do you say that? They don't fight in front of us, they don't do any nonsense, but in the college they do all kind of nonsense. Who is responsible? You say all the students are drinking. When does the Arak shop open here? It is only open by 12 in the afternoon, sir. And at 12 noon, they are under your custody. And if we say they are drinking and drinking, how can we accept all that nonsense? Tell me. Even if he drinks, there is no smell when he comes back home. How will we know? Are you selling liquor in your college canteen? I will not leave it just like that. I'll take it to Supreme Court. You said take your son away from college and college. How can we do that? You tell me. From the school he came to your college, he was certified as a very good boy. Where is that boy now? You tell me, sir. Now you say he has gone rotten. You give me that good boy, sir. Where's that good boy? Please give it to me, sir. Give him to me.
Listen, who's his son?
That's me, sir.
It's you.
Yes, sir. He is my son. I will not stop with this. What I'm going to do is, IPC section 643 I will put all sections on you, sir.
Shut up.
Sir, that's your vehicle number,
Oh,
sir.
it is all wrong, is it? IPC 63, IPC 64, IPC 65, all sections on you, sir.
Please go from here. Let him come to the college again.
Okay, all boys, go to class, go,
Thank
go.
you, sir.
Kamli, one more dosa.
Dude, even after you beat them so much, they come back to fight against you. You know why? The weight of your punches are not right. Do you know how the punch should be? I'll teach you. Will you learn? Hold your hands like this. Close your fingers like this. Close it again. Now you've got the proper grip, right? And if you punch by holding this and the tooths get broken, got it? They'll never come back again. Understand?
Hey, idiot Mustafa. You won't teach him anything good, is it?
What a punch is
You
this,
always
dude?
teach him how to get in fight and how to get in trouble. Hey, principal is blaming me for all this. Listen, they announced the election for the next week in the staff meeting. Let the economic guys do whatever they want. You're all BCom guys. You should be very royal. Understood?
How is that possible, teacher? What, every time these economics guys should win or what? This time we BCom guys will rule.
Bro, they have announced college election date. Oh!
Vote for one Ganesh. Vote for one Ganesh. Vote for one Ganesh.
Vote for
One Ganesh. One Ganesh.
Vote for one Ganesh. Vote for one
Vote
Ganesh.
for one Ganesh. Vote for one Ganesh. Vote for one Ganesh. Vote for one Ganesh.
Vote for.
Vote for.
Vote for
Vote
one
for.
Ganesh.
Vote for. Vote
Vote
for.
for one Ganesh. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Nam Ganesh, superstar.
Vandanan.
After the election, first it's you, then it's him. I'm not sparing you at any cost.
This is not a fight between BCom and economics. It is all because of their personal ego. Typical students' ego.
Hey Vijay, if you don't become a chairman this year, you will be under them for the rest of this year.
Vijay, we'll go to our aunt's house and we'll get the money and we'll blast it.
Vijay, who is staying in Kamali's house, whenever he wants money, he goes to his house.
Oh no, he came to spoil my life. He came here to take all my
Mom,
money.
don't
he
shout,
always
Mom.
makes me cry.
Can you be quiet for a bit?
Auntie,
Oh, every month he does the same thing.
doesn't matter how much you scream, he'll always pick up what he wants. So don't scream. Your heart might get burst
Oh,
out.
wait, I'll tell your mom about this. Oh, I don't know. What is he doing there? In small age itself, he went behind Kamli. He could have gone like this forever. Now, why are you coming and ruining my life? Whatever you take it from here, you're giving them.
Auntie, stop screaming. At least have some water. Something might happen.
Hey, you shut up.
Dude, you found it or what? Without having anything for side, she's drinking like this. She's drunk completely, I guess.
How much ever you search, you will not get anything. You try everything.
Doctor said you have BP, Mom.
I'm not in tension. I'm very happy. You wanna see that? You watch now. Ah.
Dude, the aunt is in
Ma,
complete
Ma.
swing.
There once was
Ma,
the
what's
ship
wrong?
that put
What's
to
happening,
sea, and
Mom?
the name of
Come
the
on,
ship
aunt.
was
Come
the
on.
Being
Do
White.
it.
Mom.
Come
The
on.
winds blew
Yeah,
hard, our
yeah.
boat dipped down below.
please
Yeah.
be
Bully
quiet,
boys
Mom.
blow.
Yeah,
Mom,
yeah.
can you be
So
quiet,
one
please,
man, the
Mom?
weatherman
Come on, dance,
comes
dance.
to
Come on,
bring
you
the
also- you
sugar
can join.
and tea and
Mom,
jam.
come on, Mom, stop
One day
doing
when
all
the
this.
Duncan is done,
Please,
we'll
Mom.
take our leave
Super,
and
super,
go.
aunt, super, super.
Mom, stop behaving like a drunk. Why? What's wrong with you, Mom? Please.
Oh, super, 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 aunt.
Hey, I got
Hey,
this.
why
Let's
are
move.
you taking taking all my
Ma,
documents
please.
and going.
Shall
hey,
we?
stop him, yeah. He's taking all my documents.
Mom, I've
He
called
took
grandfather.
my
He'll come
jewels,
off.
he
Please
took
be quiet
my
till then.
money. Now he's taking the house documents. What
Grandfather
do I do?
will be here. Please, Mom.
I just had this house.
I've been
only.
telling
Now
you,
even
can't you
I
be
lost
quiet?
even
Please
that.
be quiet, Mom.
Father, did you see that? I just had this house. Even he has taken those
Grandpa,
documents.
it's his father's property. He has taken it. What's wrong in that?
Hey, stupid girl. He's not just the father of him. He's father for you also. How do I
If he
make
keeps
her
doing this, see what I will do
understand?
to him. Idiot fella.
Father, before he gets this house, please do something.
Hey, take your mom inside. I will take papers from him and I will advise him.
Loan won't be given to unmarried people. Alalalalala. Hey, Shanmuka, bring me a cup of tea. He has mentioned it in the board.
Have it.
Hey, look at the quantity of this tea.
Yes, no.
Only get me little tea. Sheh.
Now have it.
Hey, why are you bringing me this kind of tea, man?
You are drinking it in free, no? Okay, close it and go.
Hey, you told me that you'll bring money, but instead you brought agreement. What to do with this?
You don't have any idea how much pressure we gone through. Forget it. We'll do something by keeping this.
Do whatever you want to do.
My dear Mustafa,
What, dude?
the bag you gave now, it is with me for a long time.
Dude, it was with you.
If you give it to me, it will be only with me.
You don't know how many days I was looking for
Hey,
this.
what is that? Search in there?
Hey.
Oh, nice.
Oh, my cutie.
If it bites, it will die.
cutie.
Oh, no, say it. Listen,
I won't die even if you bite me. If you bite me, it is going to be a supermodel who is kissing me.
Nobody wants to kiss that snake here. You take it away. Go, run from this place. Get out.
Bite
Madam is
me?
coming. Hey, go. Kamali madam is coming. Go.
This is a very
Ah, Allah.
How many times have I told you to not to take him to his auntie's house? Hey, why have you stolen all those property papers? Vijay, everybody is already talking about us, that we have affair.
Teacher, it is me who always takes the slaps. He is the one who behaves weirdly. You should actually slap him.
I didn't do anything. No,
Muruga, what's wrong with you?
I'm not able to manage. There is something happening inside. Oh, but...
His name is Sauri. This is Manikam. Kamali, Sauri, Manikam all studied together. Sauri and Kamali were in love. Sauri got into politics, so Kamali stayed away from Islam. From that day onwards, neither Sauri nor Kamali got married.
What is this?
Keep these documents and give me some money.
Hey, keep this. Come home night. I will
Sure, sir.
give that.
I'll do that.
Okay.
Hey, leave this
Hey,
person.
Shauri
Hey,
boss, Shauri
wait, man.
boss, how
All
are
these
you?
our kids.
How are
What do you
you?
want, boys?
Please get
give
something
it.
to eat.
Go enjoy, boys.
Yay!
You go to your auntie's house and do whatever you want, but don't be with this fellow. Start the bike. We have to go to the bank. Hey, you don't know nothing about Shauri Vijay. I know him very well. If you practice to take the money from him, then you'll end up asking him money every time. And then he'll give the knife into your hands and ask you to kill someone. You'll end up doing that also. That's why, Vijay, just listen to me. He'll just ruin your life. Please, don't do this.
I don't think so, Kamali. I have seen him from my childhood. Shauri seems to be a good guy.
Hey, I've written some good ads. Please donate and go, no? Oh, my sisters. For you girls, I have painted one female portrait. You are not beggar. You are a good artist. I'm not a beggar. I'm an artist.
This painting is so realistic. Why are you doing it on streets? You can conduct an exhibition, no?
Sir, if I had that opportunity, why would I come here and paint, sir? Before and all, hotel, bank, shop, all these places they used to call us to paint the boards. But now, digital printing, banners, flex, all this have come. Due to that, we lost our jobs. For others, all these big people, politicians, they will call. Because nobody calls us. That is why we come here, sit and paint and earn, sir.
You have a great art with you. Keep it safe with you, okay?
Hey, bald uncle. You are only fit to talk, not to help. You get lost, idiot fella. Thoo. What, Murthy? I thought you are a clever person, but you are taking so much time to do my work.
Striking with a knife or with a sickle is all old style. This is a pesticide we use for coconut trees. This is cobalt. You rub it on a log with arali seed and slightly heat it up. There is no poison worse than this in the world.
Hey, if you want money, I'll give. Why are you giving house documents?
There is difference between friendship and business. I always need you, brother. Please consider this.
That's fine. Why do you need so much money now?
Elections are announced in the college. We need money for campaigning in the college. That's it.
Okay, keep it safely.
Huh.
If we want to kill somebody, we should not be going with sickles. Just make a scratch with this. Our job will be done. The body will go rotten. He will start coughing and die.
I don't know how we are going to do, but he should die.
Hey, what happened?
Oh, what happened,
Come,
man?
let's check. Hey, check what happened.
Oh, we need to push no other way.
Dude, in 1994, our college held an election. Everybody is still talking about that election only. We should also conduct an election like that.
Let's do it, man.
Yeah. Dude, wait a second. Do you hear something? Hey, who are you, man?
Run,
Run. Push. Run.
Hey,
Stop this here.
Yeah. Come. Run.
Hey! Hey! Where are you? Yeah! Oh, damn!
Oh my god, madam!
What is she blabbering? Who is this?
Who is this man falling like this? Was he still alive?
Hey, pour the water, man.
Hey, get up, man.
Splash some water and wake him up.
Hey, even if you put water on him, he's not
He's
getting up,
getting
man.
up even
What's
after
his
throwing
problem?
water.
Hey, get up,
What
man.
might have happened?
Hey, bring the vehicle. Put him in that. And take him to hospital. Come soon, come.
Pick him up. Yeah.
Hey,
Put him inside.
Hey,
Careful.
Hey, put it
Yes,
inside.
yes.
Hey, careful.
Hold his hands.
Hey, look it out.
Yes.
Look after his man.
Yeah.
Look after
Careful,
his
careful.
head.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, get it.
Yeah, come. Take this. You have to vote for him only. You have to vote for my dude. He's our dude. Come on, you have to vote him.
Greetings, everyone. Everyone should put their vote to me. Greetings.
Don't do any problem. Nomination will be cancelled.
For Vijay.
Vote for Vijay.
Vijay.
Vote for
Vote
Vijay.
for Vijay.
Vote for
Hey, if you make our hero selected, we make this college
Vote
as
for
squad.
Vijay.
Vote for Vijay.
Who is he?
Bloody college students.
Vote for Vijay. Vote for Vijay. Vote for Vijay. Vote for Vijay.
Vote for Van Ganesh. Vote for Van Ganesh.
Vote for Vijay. Vote for Vijay. Vote for Vijay.
Vote for Vijay. Vote for Vijay. Vote for Vijay.
Vote for Vijay. Vote for Vijay.
Vote for Vijay. Vote for Vijay.
Hey, sorry bro. Sorry.
Slow down, it would have broken.
Vote for Vijay. Vote for Vijay.
Vote for Vijay.
Vote for Vijay.
Vote for Vijay.
Vote for Vijay.
Vote for Vijay.
Vote for Vijay. Vote for Vijay. Vote for Vijay. Vote for Vijay.
Dude, vote for Vijay. Vote for Vijay, man. Cast your vote only for Vijay, man. Understand?
Cast your vote to Vijay. You need to vote for Vijay.
Hey. Hey, wait. Where's the ID card?
Sir, I forgot at home.
What are you studying?
I'm studying 15th class, sir.
What?
15th class pass, sir.
Hey, don't stand
go,
here.
go.
Leave the place. Go.
Close the gate.
At any cost, we'll be victorious and we'll tell it to our father.
Hey, why are you doing like this, sir?
Everyone has it right.
Don't worry, we'll see. Go that side and come.
Oh,
You are the king, yaar.
close the gate.
Sir, how long is the polling?
It'll get over by 3:30, madam.
Oh, I wanted to meet principal.
He's in his room.
Oh,
Pray for Nesamani.
The college voting count has been begun.
Give me the certificate given by election officer.
voting is all done, no? What are you doing here? Move.
Madam, we know what to do. Like, you know,
Don't
we
leave
stand
from
just
here.
standing
Come on,
here.
move.
Come on, guys. Guys, what is this? Okay, come, let's move.
Till yesterday they were fighting. See now how they have become one, as if nothing has happened before.
Yes, sir, they have passed urine.
This time in this department secretary election, I am wishing all the winners. At the same time, the student chairman will be selected by voice vote. So tell me who is going to contest.
One Ganesh.
Vijay.
Look, whatever you spent, I'm giving you 5 pounds of chain. And if I win, I'll give you
No,
2
no,
lakhs
it's okay,
cash.
it's okay.
Take it. You'll get the same thing to you. Okay?
How many of you support Vandanan? Lift your hands. 5. Next for Vijay. 11.
Congrats, Vijay.
Thank you, sir.
In this academic year, 180 days is working days. Understand? In this 180 days, you should not even waste one day also.
Sure.
Okay? Check the IDs properly.
Cheers, boys.
We'll have boozes and we'll enjoy, man.
Hey, they betrayed me after taking my money. Teach them a lesson.
Hey, I'll kill you, bugger.
Oh.
Ah.
Oh my
Help me,
God,
Lord.
save me.
Help me.
Sir,
Govinda,
please give us
Govinda.
10 rupees, sir, please. We are beggars, sir. 10 rupees, please.
Hey, move away, move away.
No, sir. These are believers, sir. Those guys. Why all the college students have come together?
Since I won the elections, we are planning for a rally.
Okay.
We have come here to take your permission.
Give it in return. 10 people must sign it, okay?
Take, man. You write it down.
Ah, yes, dude.
Take the pen.
Which
I'm
area,
having the
man?
pen, sir.
Where over there?
Next to SBI and ATM, sir.
There is one boy Angdi, right?
It's on the top floor, sir.
Salim boy house.
It's next to Salim Bhai's house, Danpal.
Your Danpal's son. Then Shakti Mansion is your relative.
My uncle, sir.
Your uncle. Then you are my relative, man. Sit on the bench. Hey, you are my
It's okay,
relative.
sir.
Sit on the bench.
It's okay,
not
sir.
down. Sit properly. Call me as uncle.
Okay, uncle.
Eat pakoda. Hey, eat man. You are my side only.
I thought policemen can only be friendly here. But this guy has become a relative, man. Seems like he's a close kin of his mother. Oh, it's really hard to face him, man. We have ragged him so
Be
much.
brave, man. Huh?
Sir, pakada please.
You also eat, man. It is for everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Hmm.
Hey, where's that fellow who threw acid?
Sir.
Who threw the acid?
Sir, he's here only, sir.
Are you respecting this bastard?
Uncle.
Left him.
Uncle. Sir, please leave me, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Leave me alone, sir. Please,
You
sir.
bloody rogue torturing her for love. She told you she doesn't love you. You should have left her alone after that. But you
I won't do
blackguard,
it, sir.
you threw acid on her.
Sir.
Dude, I told you, police
please
can
leave me,
never
sir.
be
Don't
friendly or
leave me, sir.
relative.
Please, sir. Sir,
You
please
running
leave me,
effects
sir.
of acid?
Please, sir. Please.
It will make her
Leave
blind.
me, sir.
She can't speak. Only if you see her, you will experience the fear. You
Sir.
have destroyed her
Sir,
career
sorry,
in
sir.
just 1 minute.
I don't know, sir.
Not
Sorry,
going to
sir.
spare you.
Sir, this is the acid bottle we recovered from accused.
Hey, slow down.
Hey, I'm so sorry, boss. I didn't see you. I'm so sorry.
Sir.
Look, don't book him under any
Okay,
case.
sir.
He has to get the maximum punishment.
Okay, sir.
I will book him under a special
Okay,
case.
sir.
Make him run and shoot him.
Sir,
Hurry,
please, sir.
hurry.
Sorry, sir. Sorry,
Throwing
sir. Leave me
acid
alone,
on
sir.
him.
Sorry, sir.
Put him
Sir.
inside. I said go.
Okay, sir.
Who are all you?
New Arts College students, sir.
Oh, for what have you come?
Sir, I've come here for permission, sir.
What permission?
My friend has won in college election, sir. We want permission to celebrate that function, sir.
Ah,
Don't give it, sir. Don't give it. Hey, go.
hey, you be quiet. Start your procession from LIC. And via 1,000 lights you can go to your college, right? Then why this route through SIT college? Why? If I give you permission for one particular route, you have to take only that route, okay?
Okay, sir.
Everyone's going with a girl, man. Next day, if
Next
at all
year,
you
if
join
at
a
all we
college,
join, we have to join this college
only,
only,
dude.
dude.
Let's
Yay, come on,
dance.
Yay.
Come, Ganesh Murthy.
Sir, if you don't mistake me, can I ask you something?
What is it?
This has happened at your gate. One at your own people could have done this, you see. I have a doubt, you see. My doubt is only that. He is unconscious now. Only after he regains consciousness, I can get the details.
Before coming to conscious, in semi-conscious state, if he says I've done that, then what?
Quite funny.
Somebody has purposely done this to get bad name to me and put it in front of my house.
I don't understand.
In my next election, to get MLA seat, you know how much I'm struggling? Guess it. Just because I'm going to get the seat, somebody has purposely done this. Or for any other reason, somebody would have done this. In this condition, can you put case on me? Tell me. You're bringing such fighting people and putting them in front of my house and trying to to do this to bring bad name for me.
Those things will not happen.
Ganesh Murthy, you would have got bitten from the snake, or something else would have happened.
Okay, leave it. You inquire from your side. I'll do it also from my side. Hello, sir. Yes, tell me.
Sir, he is coming, sir.
Just a minute.
I'll stop him, sir. I'll stop him. Okay, sir.
No. We have identified the accused. You don't have to worry. He'll get
stop
arrested very soon. I will arrest him very soon and
Where are you
bring him
coming
to you,
from?
sir.
Huh?
Excuse
Where are you
me.
coming from?
You're going towards women's college, right? It's getting late for exam. Can you please give a drop?
I have some urgent work.
Please, dear.
Ma'am.
Nandini, come. Go with brother, he will drop you.
What brother?
This screw has fallen from Vijay bikes, no? That screw, no?
Hey, you have to ride carefully.
Bye.
Sir, all this is
All the best for your exam.
No problem, sir. I'll take it.
It would have been great if Rupa ma'am was not
If
there,
we
right?
didn't do practical, she'll make us go crazy.
Hi, Vijay.
Hi.
Hey, Madhu, do you know Vijay? Who doesn't know Vijay in this city? He's college chairman.
Thanks. Please don't feel bad just because my mom asked you to call brother.
No. I really don't mind at all. We'll actually finish the matter if they call us the elder brother and all.
Yeah, gee. Get out from here first.
Thanks. Take
Bye.
care.
Who is Sumati here? He's your husband, right? One last time, look at him carefully. Come, sign here.
Hey, will they put Vijay behind the bars for killing this guy?
Hey, what you're going to say? We both went to kill Vijay. In that clash, Murthy was killed. They will arrest me in Gunda's case, no? Not even that. You will be also arrested. You helped me, no? So please don't blabber. Hey, police is coming. You just escape from here.
All formalities done.
Yes, sir. All finished. Vehicle is coming.
Shivra,
Yes, sir.
you be with them, bury the body, and then come to station, okay?
Okay, sir.
Sir, do something and finish this case off, sir. I'm tired.
You don't worry. I'm here. I'll take care.
Sir, please check this sand also. Sir, from here itself only the sand is going to Vrudachalam Kodiswaran chamber, sir. If you said okay means I'll send 100 loads, sir.
Order 50 loads.
Okay, sir.
Dad, the guy who pasted the poster is coming, Dad.
Hey, stop him.
Hey, shut up and stop it, man. Come on, hey, come get off.
Hey, go, man.
Hey, move aside.
Hey, go.
Brother, if you become leader in college, do you think you have become king in the state? Before sticking your poster, you should observe whose poster is over there. Don't you know the simple common sense? You have sticked on my poster. You should have been careful, right?
Hey, we all do a soil business here. I'll just dig the grave for you also. Even a single hair will not be found.
let
What
me-
are you talking?
hey,
Come
hey,
on,
no,
shut
man,
up,
no,
man.
no,
Hey,
no.
What are you talking? No, don't scream, man. Don't scream. It's okay.
Friendship with men fulfilled of good waxes, like the crescent moon. Friendship with men of foolish mood, like the full orb. Next, more one gets drunk, more is drink desirable. More our love gets gossiped, more is it blissful.
Sir, was that guy a feminist guy? Because he always speaks about a change in man, not in women.
What I am telling you are talking about girls. First sit down and listen what I am taking, okay?
Hey, where are you going?
Going for canteen, sir.
I am very hungry, sir.
Semester is nearby. Now you want to go. Manju.
Yes, sir.
Ask the canteen guy to close it off.
Okay,
and tell
sir.
him to open at 1 o'clock.
Okay,
go,
sir.
get in the class.
Hey, go.
Hey, Ganesh. Principal has asked to shut down the canteen, man. Come, let's go strike down. Come. How much is yours, man?
20 yaar.
What happened, man?
Bro, SIT college girl students. There's some construction happening in the college. They are being shifted to our college for a few days.
Yeah.
Come, let's go.
Come, let's go have fun.
Vijay, BCom final year, account notebook.
It's chairman's notebook, yeah? Huh?
Hey, we'll give it back to ma'am.
We all have come here for temporary.
Ma'am, it's not temporary. It's temporary.
Temporary.
Oh, ma'am, it's not temporary. It's temporary.
Temporary. Okay.
Our education is gone.
Listen here. We'll be here only for some time. You should not mess up with anyone in this college. Do you understand? Once our college is ready, we will go back to our college. Okay? Did you get it?
Ma'am, somebody left the notebook here.
I think it's some rank student's notebook.
What is that, madam? CRPP.
You're all science students, right? This is accounts notebook. That's why you're not understanding it. Keep it back from where you get it. They will come and take it.
Hey, who gave you the permission to enter this college? Huh? Everyone, get out! When it comes to marks, you're always greedy. Why should you guys always be the topper? This is our college. Get out of this college. Get out of this college.
How dare you speak with our girls, man?
Have some patience.
Everybody sit down, everybody. Sit down. I've come here, right? I'll sort it out.
Everyone,
Hey,
please remain
what's
silent.
your problem, man?
What, man?
I have told you, right? Once the victory is Vijay's, we'll turn
Look,
the
it's
gents
telling
college
the
into
same thing.
co-eds college. Now that I'm keeping up my promise, man. Look here. Who are you to send them out, man? First you get lost, man. Hey!
Don't keep this in front of us.
Did you see our position? You thought we came to see all this? We have come here to give them security. Did you go and see what's happening outside? They are fighting like rowdies.
You only gave the permission for SIT girls to study here, no, sir? But that ex-MLA's son, Dhanush, he's not ready to study with those girls and creating chaos. As a chairman, Vijay has all the rights to question, sir.
Welcome to my heart.
Hey!
Hey! Read what's written over there. This place is only reserved for girls and hence boys should not come to this place. By chairman. Get out of here, get out of here. I'm telling you right, get out of this
Hey,
place.
you crappy man. You're talking too much. We'll look after you later.
They already came to the college, dude. Please introduce me any
We can
one
do
of
it
the girls.
eventually. Wait, man. Why are you hurrying?
Hey, don't be in hurry, da. Our dude will change everything. Don't worry.
Ballu sir.
Hey, tell me, man.
What's your problem?
Everybody is saying that you are doing jolly with girls every day.
So what?
That bloody buffalo is also waiting for this thing.
Okay. Tell him to follow the
Sir,
line.
only one selfie.
Brother, no. Don't get tensed, brother. Son of a mosquito, get out.
Bloody son of a mosquito.
Sorry, I could not reply to your messages last night. There was some problem with my cell phone. I'm really sorry about it.
Hey, your purse, man. Hey, baby, take this 400. He's waste fellow. Come, we'll go to Mahab's.
Stupid.
Hey, idiot. We're all friends, man. Look at yourself. How can a girl fall in love with you? Get out. Look at yourself. How can a girl fall in love with you?
Kavi, please, Kavi.
It's
I'm
getting
having
late
a
for
doubt in
class.
Max, Kavi.
Hey, he's
Please,
asking
Kavi.
for help.
Please
Why
tell
don't
me.
you help him?
Please, I'm waiting.
Okay, come.
Kavi,
Tell what?
I didn't understand this sum, Kavi. Please, could you please explain it?
3020 31Q1. Hey, listen to me.
Please,
Hey,
Kavi.
see here. Super.
Thank you.
You solve this, I'll know that. Stop behaving like an idiot.
Hey, bloody son of mosquito. Hey, wait. Hey, I'm going to kill you. Where is he? I think he's hiding somewhere. Bloody fellow. What is this? Is he here? No. I will not leave you, man. You aren't dating, huh? Wait. I'll do one thing.
Hey.
Oh my God. Hey.
Sir. Please look here and read,
Hey, I
sir.
need to go to
You should find some place outside, sir. Don't try to disturb the angels inside.
Hey, what's this? You still keeping chairman's notebook? Didn't give it? He's a rank student, yaar.
Hey, I think I'm fallen in love with Vijay. Hey, I'll express my love to him. Please write one poet and give.
This is old style. Just go. Hold him. Just do lip lock. He keeps roaming behind
Hey,
you.
you don't know how to talk with kids? I'm in love with him. I don't want to seduce him. My love is as pure as gold. I'll express my love through a letter. I don't need your
Okay.
advice anymore. Okay?
Okay.
I'll express my love by giving this book to him. If possible, bless me.
You're very clever.
Hey, if your
Go.
love is success, then you have to treat us.
Hey, beer for me. Shut up, girls. I'll treat
Hey, I
you
need
everyone.
tequila.
Huh? What?
Vijay, your notebook.
Hey, this is where we used to write our scores while
this
playing
one.
cards.
Vijay, turn on the last page of this notebook.
Last
Turn
page,
it,
is it?
man.
My dear, I saw you once in the class.
Vijay, don't read like that.
Huh?
You have to read that as a
Oh.
poem. Shall I read it for you? My love, after seeing you for the first time, I've lost myself. I'm so attracted to you. World's first love was Adam's and Eve's love.
Oh.
Ours love is just like theirs.
Like the tribes you're talking about, right? That means without clothes.
Ayyo, no. Pure and innocent love like theirs.
Okay. Tell me, why should we get into this?
We'll get married.
After marriage?
After marriage,
Oh, look at her.
we'll make
The
kids.
gap between marriage and child?
Shanti.
Who is that another girl, Shanti?
First night.
Oh. The first night you're talking about? If that happens between us, it will last only for 10 minutes. Suppose
Suppose
your classmate Nandini,
Nandini
if we both get into this
into
and
this,
get married,
then married
daily first night.
daily.
Now you do one thing. The poem which you written, give it to Nandini and ask her to give the same to me. Make her to say I love you to me. Okay?
Jai, I'll kill you. I hate you completely.
Hey, what happened? Night, are we going to party?
I'll smash your face. Just shut up and mind your business.
I
Hey,
think her idea
what
was
happened?
It's all because of you.
Why? As soon as I told him that I love him, you know what he told me? If we get married, only 10 minutes will make love it seems. But if with you, he'll have first date every day.
Hey, then you give us a party.
You bloody girls always think about party. I am suffering here. You bloody girls.
Hey, dude. Look at her. Dude, he's watching you, no? Awesome, man.
You also come inside.
Hey, please move, no?
So many people.
Hey, please move.
Hey, come this side. Hey, don't push me.
Hey, don't push, man.
Hey, come this side. Don't push.
Hey, don't push me.
What's your friend?
Please don't push me, no?
Come on, come this side. Move aside.
Hey, move that side, man.
Haven't got umbrella, what?
Hey, come man, stop. Rain, stop.
Glad
Come,
it's
come,
stopped.
come. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go and have some tea.
Hey Mustafa, you didn't go to college?
Have to go, teacher. Mom called me home.
Is it? What did she tell?
To pay the electricity bill, there was some money left over in the house and she's accusing me of stealing it. What to do now?
I remembered something when you said current bill. Even I haven't paid it. Can you pay it on behalf of me? What happened? It was here only, no? Hey, Mustafa. Just like your mothers you stole from me also.
What are you talking, teacher?
Hey, the money is missing in my bag, yeah?
How much, teacher?
2,000. Hey, it's month end. I don't have much
2,000
money.
rupees,
Please
ah.
give it back.
I didn't even take so much, teacher.
Hey.
I just took only 150 rupees. Cha.
Hey.
Teacher, note this day in your diary right now. Banwar Lal will tell that Mustafa is a great guy and this will happen. Salam alaikum.
Malikum salam.
What man, you left me and came over? What man, teddy bear, how are you doing? How's your day
I'm
going?
really good,
huh?
dude.
Give it.
Tan-ta-dan.
Teacher's 2,000 rupees note has become a sari now.
I have something to say, don't laugh. I have seen Nandini in modern dress, but I would like to see her in sari.
Oh, so
Now what you are going to do is, please go to Nandini, give this sari to her and ask her to wear this tomorrow.
Dude, we'll go and give the love letter if you want. Okay? Sari and all should be given by only you.
Oh, follow me.
Take him, man.
Qualitative inorganic using
Hello, excuse me.
1-3 tetanus and synthesis of.
Sit down.
Good morning, sir.
Cool.
Good morning, teacher.
Class is going
I
on.
have got a gift for you. Please wear this and come to college
Hey,
tomorrow.
blue is your favorite color. Please take it no.
Instead of teaching, you're watching a film.
Do you think I'm watching movie? I'm taking reference from Google and I'm teaching them.
Vijay, everybody are saying please leave.
No. Only if you accept this, then I'll go.
Please wait in canteen. I'll come. Just leave now.
I'll wait in the canteen. Come as soon as possible.
Oh,
First, you
God.
please get out of my class.
Okay, teacher, I leave, teacher.
Oh, shit.
Dude, this is the right time. Go and speak now.
Hey, there are many people here.
What's your plan now? You want to speak to her alone, right? Wait, I'll do something now. Dude, where are you? Your girl is sitting in the canteen and speaking to someone right now.
Oh my God, let's go. How dare you, Vijay? Why did you get me sari? My father is police, you know.
Why do you think you're a police daughter? Think that my father-in-law is a police.
Everybody have seen. That too in whole class, in front of my friends and the professor. You presenting me sari? Who are you to present me sari? Are you my husband or my boyfriend?
You rode my bullet the other day? Also did a shooting
What
gesture?
if I ride your bike? If I do that gesture, do you think it's love?
Yes, it is.
I'll definitely shoot you one or the other day.
The other day in the bus stand, you kissed?
Stop. Don't tell that, please. Just stop.
Look here, I like you so much. I know you like me too. That is why I have brought this gift. What you do is, you will wear this and come tomorrow.
I won't.
You will.
I won't.
You will.
I won't.
She loves me. But she's lying, man. Don't know what to do.
Girls who fall in love are the same people.
Bro, she's actually police daughter, right? You should have given 500 along with the sari. She would have come with you, bro.
Give him, man. What are you talking, man?
I'm sorry,
Idiot.
bro.
She's my buddy's girlfriend. And this guy is speaking like an idiot.
I don't think she'll wear. What do you think?
You should never speak like that. Whatever you wish should happen. Tomorrow she should wear that sari and she's going to wear it and come. Hi, my dear girls. To save the culture of our land, tomorrow all the girls should wear a sari and come to the college. This is our chairman's order. You should follow it.
This sounds good. Everyone wear sari on Monday.
Hello. We will all wear saris. Will you guys come in dhotis?
Why not? We'll wear it.
If that is the case, we'll also wear sari and come.
You are wearing the sari.
Hey, dude. They are crossing their limit. We want to do them anything.
Hey, let it go, man. Everyone's coming in sari tomorrow. Everyone has a big heart. Let us smash it.
What, Vijay? You've asked all girls to wear sari and commit hymns? What's so special?
Yes, I did. The girls these days are wearing only jeans, salwar and t-shirts, right? They are not wearing sari. Who will uplift our culture, tell me? That is why we both planned together. At least once in a week, they are supposed to wear sari to the college.
Oh.
What is that? Every week? To wear a sari once, 2,000 rupees has gone missing. On top of this, you are asking every week. Oh, leave me alone in this.
It's okay, leave that. When she told us to come in dhoti, we said, why not? Isn't it? Who's going to pay for the dhoti?
You are the one who told us.
Rascal.
Give him nicely.
Hey, catch him.
Ride a bike inside the shop.
Connect to Murugan.
What is it?
I'm here.
No, he's calling, no.
We're thinking of pledging you for 2,000 rupees. What do you say about it?
What?
Come with me.
Leave me.
Hey, someone else has come into our place.
Why, bro?
Send him away, We'll speak some other
Hey,
day.
get lost. Get lost from here.
Hello, brother. Hello. How
Why are you welcoming me so affectionately? Greetings, sir. Hey, you snatched my ring.
Sorry, brother. I have to buy some costumes for our guys.
Give it.
Okay.
This works. Sir, please don't tell this to Kamali.
Okay, enjoy. Do you have night duty today?
Madam, hello, madam.
Yeah.
Madam, hello,
1
madam.
minute.
Hey, what?
My name is Avinashi. Inspector has called me, madam.
He has gone out. Once he comes, I'll let
okay,
you know.
ma'am.
You stay out.
Okay, madam.
Hey, stop
Hey,
here. Stop.
hey, take
College
off your hands
chairman.
and talk to me, man.
Hey, college chairman has told everybody to wear a dhoti here. And you guys are roaming in pants and everywhere. And on top of this, you've held the hands of Nandini and roaming everywhere. This is the rumor here. Listen to me. Nandini and Vijay are in love mutually. Don't you dare to poke your nose in between. I'll kill you otherwise. Hey.
Stop it. What? Nandini and Vijay are in a relationship.
Yes, man. Hey, don't worry, man. Your love is a grand success.
Dude, look at Nandini. She's not wearing your sari.
Vijay brother! Vijay
Hey,
brother!
you should not go there.
Vijay
Come this
brother!
side, man. Come this side.
Hey, leave me!
Hey, go there. Hey, don't hit, man. I'm a family man.
Vijay brother!
Sorry, bro. I had no clue that you were in a relationship with Nandini. Hey, the guy is running towards us. Inquire ahead,
Vijay
man.
brother! Hey, Vijay brother!
Hey, what happened? Why are you crying? What happened?
Kamali's sister is beaten by someone, brother.
What are you saying?
My dear, where is your ring?
Hey, you're a stray dog. You're spoiling the life of my sister. I'll never leave you to live. I'll kill you for sure. I'll never leave you alone.
Hey, what happened?
It seems they have beaten Kamali.
Hey, should
I'll
also
kill
come with
him.
you. Hey,
I'll
here
take
you
care.
go. Wear this pant. Call me if you need anything, bro.
What, dude? You have become a good fellow, huh?
Hey, we can oppose anything in this world, man. But we should not oppose love at any cost. In order to get a girl, we have to struggle for a whole year. We get a friend within a fraction of a second by saying hi. That is what's friendship. He's from our college. Instead of us, who else would support him?
Yeah,
Isn't
we'll
it?
all help.
Am I
you.
right?
No problem. We'll also wear dhoti.
Wear the dhoti, man.
Huh? I didn't wear innerwear, dude.
Vijay.
Oh god, it's already late. I'll leave. Okay, we'll meet in college.
Hey,
Who the
who
hell
are you, man?
Ah!
Hey, what are you doing? Hey,
Who the hell are you?
Kill all of you.
Hey, what happened? Nandini, what happened?
Come on, go and call the police.
Hello.
Hello, uncle. A college student named Vijay came and hit Nandini.
What?
Can you
are
please
you-
come fast?
You give the phone to Nandini.
She's not unconscious. She can't talk.
Where is that guy's house?
Hey, Mustafa. Malik's brother-in-law has beaten Kamli, thinking that she has taken the ring.
what are you talking, man?
Yes, man.
Hey, I'm coming right away, man. Where are you? Just tell me.